Hi there, and welcome to Pikes Peak Community College 2020 Trash Art Competition. Your ideas and laying out sort of the steps you will follow to create this. Now, number 4 is record your project, which obviously we're doing from the get-go. So I'm going to kind of show you what you might do in order. So the steps that I would take, you want to brainstorm your ideas. So my concept is going to be polar bears. And I was thinking I could do like a mosaic. So I'm going to draw that out. Then I'm going to gather my trash items. Then I'm going to, which will include all of the trash I'm going to use. I'm going to create it like a mosaic. And then I will record myself creating the project. So again, step 4 is to figure out how you're going to record your project. So that'll be including how I'm going to brainstorm. I'll record how I'm brainstorming, and then I'll record how I'm gathering my pieces of recycled items that I can cut up and use for my mosaic. And then I'll sit down and draw my concept, thinking through how I'll use each piece. And then I will show you how I'm going to create my masterpiece. So for the first step, I'm going to brainstorm some ideas. And as I said, I'm going to go online and find some pictures as well. But I want a polar bear, I don't know, this is just going to be a little rough sketch because I am not, he's got a little tail. Imagine there's probably a moon in the background. He's probably sitting on a piece of ice. And I'm guessing it's floating on water. And so the sky will be blue. The water will be blue. The ice will be white. And the polar bear will be white, accenting his faces, and then the moon maybe will be white. And just a sketch, just a rough sketch of kind of my concept. And now I need to go find my pieces of trash so I can use them to cut them up and make a mosaic. So in my recycle bin, I've found some items that will work. And I have a milk jug, which actually will be nice for the ice, I think. A clear jug that actually might be good for more clear ice. I have a nice big Pepsi and Oreo containers that will work well for the blue. The water in the sky. There's kind of a baby blue in that Easter container. I don't know if there'll be any green in my picture, but there's a green box of tea that we could cut out the green to make a mosaic. And for my polar bear, I found this really cool, awesome laundry container that I will use for various shapes of him, and luckily it's white, so that'll be perfect. There's also a white piece of paper. I don't know if I'll need that or not. And I have some clear, an egg container, sparkling water bottle, and a blueberry container. So I don't know if any of those will come in handy. Then I also have some paper. So we're going to round up a glue gun, a couple pairs of scissors, get to cutting. I also have some cardboard. I might use that as a background. I may just end up using a canvas. If you happen to have an empty canvas or piece of cardboard or piece of slat board, something you can use to glue your piece to, that could be very helpful as your support. So I'm going to locate a canvas or a piece of stiff cardboard or backing in my art supplies to use. But I rinsed out milk container. I got to rinse out the lemon jug, and then I have to make sure that all is my laundry detergent is completely empty before I start using it, so we'll do some laundry and use up a little bit of that. And next phase will be gathering my pieces, kind of organizing them into piles, and getting my glue and scissors and backing. So I don't know if you can hear my dog snoring in the background, so forgiveness on that, please. But here are my bowls of different colors. I have the white that has cardboard backing. I wanted to keep it separate from the white of the laundry detergent. Some of these are blue on the back, but I'll just use the other side in that case. Let me grab one that's blue. So I'll use the other side. And I'll probably have to cut these in smaller pieces because I have to create a polar bear. I think this is going to be really cool for the ice. It's clear and milky looking pieces. And then some highlights for the water. Not sure if I'll need gold. Some silver. That gold doesn't know. Silvery and shiny pieces from the Oreo package. That's going to be our sky and our water. And then, I don't know, we just have some dark colors there. And then I cut up some black from that magazine. And then we still have some Pepsi left over in case we need more blue. And parts of the laundry detergent, just in case we have to go back there. And just for giggles, you get to see my dog snoring. And I don't know how she could be comfortable like that, but she evidently is. And she snores and sleeps with her eyes open. So I found my background. My base is going to be this small canvas. It's probably about 9 by 12. Got some little sky pieces got cut out for the sky. And I'm going to take pause here because I need to find my glue or go get some. I think I have some Mod Podge, which may just work. And I do have some brushes, so I've gathered my brushes and my Mod Podge. And I need to find some pictures of polar bears so that I can have some kind of reference to make my polar bear beautiful. So again, I've got all my bowls all ready to go. And I found my background and I'm gonna find a picture now. So I'm going to start by applying a little bit of Mod Podge to the corner of my canvas. And I'm gonna use a little water to spread it out. And I've put some all the way across here before I got on film. And I'm just gonna apply that. And I'm gonna start attaching, my blue sky, which is right here. And I'm just going to gradually build it up piece by piece using darker sky, lighter sky, different colors in my collage. I have some lighter color. May have to cut these into smaller pieces. I may do that. Maybe not though. For the sky, may not be a big deal. So these should hold. So gradually, I'm just going to work my way across and do at least the sky for now. It's kind of like a artsy piece of glass art or something. So far, working hard on it. Gonna try to build a bear in the middle, polar bear. We'll see. So I'm just doing a step here. I'm taking a little bit of paint. I'm actually just taking it right out of the tube, which is kind of crazy, but I'm just taking it right out of the tube. And I'm just filling in some of these spots. So that, and the edges here of the canvas, so that it's not white. There's no white showing. And I'm just going to spot throughout the whole thing and kind of make it all match. So just kind of tying loose ends here, trying to get this a little more consistent. So going through and just tapping in little areas that show canvas through. make it a little prettier. Just that's another step here we're working on. So here is my final piece of trash art. I've upcycled plastic and Mod Podged it to a canvas, and then I cut out letters. I printed it out with the outline and then cut them out, Mod Podged them to my paper. So that is how you make a piece of trash art. Got ice? I hope you had fun.